Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain the implementation process and the result of Alibaba Cloud Autoscaling based on the practical lab. The first step is creating an ECS launch configuration. It defines the operating system, instance type, storage size, security settings, and login method. This configuration acts as a template for new instances created by autoscaling. The next step is creating an autoscaling group. In this lab, the group is configured with a minimum of one instance and a maximum of 3 instances. The desired capacity is set to one instance. The autoscaling group continuously monitors and maintains the required number of ECS instances based on the minimum, maximum, and desired capacity values. A CPU-based scaling policy is configured. If CPU utilization exceeds 70%, autoscaling automatically creates one additional ECS instance. A cooldown period of 300 seconds prevents repeated scaling actions. Initially, only one ECS instance is running in the autoscaling group. This instance handles all incoming requests before any scaling activity occurs. When CPU usage increases, autoscaling performs a scale-out process by creating additional ECS instances. These instances are automatically connected to the server load balancer, and traffic is distributed across multiple servers. When the workload decreases, autoscaling performs a scale-in process by removing unnecessary instances. As a result, resources become more efficient, and the load balancer automatically updates its active backend servers.